Hello, bachcho. Let us look into the question. The question says in cellular respiration, the proton is. So the key concept that we will be discussing is that key concept. So the key concept is cellular respiration. So whenever we talk about cellular respiration, it includes several processes such as glycolysis. It includes Krebs cycle majorly, and it includes the ETS, which is electron transport system. Now, after electron transport system, what happens? It is electron transport system. In the case of electron transport system, what we see that finally the proton molecule is accepted by the oxygen, and the reaction, this is a reaction that takes place, 2H plus half O2, that forms H2O. Now let us balance it. It is balanced equation. So the final acceptor of this proton is O2 and it forms water at the end of this cellular respiration. Now let us look into the initial cellular respiration process reaction. The initial respiration reaction is C6H12O6 plus O2. It forms 6CO2 plus H2O plus energy. Now we see that over here over the balancing it will be 6 and the RQ will be 1, because जब इसका मेटाबॉलिज्म हम देखते हैं ग्लूकोज का by these processes, in the process of Krebs cycle we see that carbon dioxide has been released. In the process of this link reaction that takes place between these two reactions, link reaction, in this process also there is an evolution of CO2. So we can say that the metabolism breakdown of this biomolecule into this 6CO2 and H2O. The final acceptor of this proton is H2O that is obtained in this process. So these are the byproducts that form as a result of the final accepting of the proton. So we can say that ऑक्सीजन ही फाइनल प्रोटॉन एक्सेप्टर है, प्रोटॉन एक्सेप्टर मॉलिक्यूल है इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन, क्योंकि हमने देखा ग्लाइकोलिसिस विच स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम ग्लूकोज एंड एंडेड इनटू 2 पायरुवेट मॉलिक्यूल्स एंड that 2 pyruvate molecule entered the link reaction, जहां भी हमने कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन हुआ और हमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ऑब्टेन हुआ, और बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ क्रेब्स साइकिल वी ऑब्टेन्ड 4 कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. अब यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि जब यहाँ 2 कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड या यहाँ 4 कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हमें ऑब्टेन हो चुका है, मतलब 6 कार्बन हमें ऑब्टेन हो चुके हैं. That means the complete breakdown has taken place, but the equilibrium has not been maintained because proton gradient difference आ रहा है. तो उसमें जब proton gradient difference आता है तो यहाँ पे acceptor molecule, that is O2, reacts with H plus, which is proton, that is present in the ETS, electron transport system. Suppose this is a mitochondria and over here 4 complexes are present that generate proton in this perimitochondrial space, and उसमें से ही proton it reacts with H plus, reacts with half O2 and forms water. So we can see that this is the final acceptor molecule of proton. और बचे हुए प्रोटॉन यहाँ पे ATPase के थ्रू ATP सिंथेसिस में, दैट इज ऑक्सीडेटिव फॉस्फोराइलेशन में कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं. सो द आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर. होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड. ऑल द बेस्ट.